Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do the perfect messy bun every time. We're going to start by popping the hair into a ponytail, and this can be whatever height you want it to be. Now we're going to divide this into 3 equal sections. And all we're going to do is pop a clear elastic band about 2/3 of the way down that middle section. Then we're going to create a hole through the middle of the top of it and pass the ends through so it's twisting the hair. Next, pinch and pull at the sides, but also in the middle of those twists to make it nice and voluminous. Release that right hand section and we're just going to repeat the same steps. So pop a clear elastic band about 2/3 of the way down the hair. Use your fingers to create a hole. Pass that tail end through so it creates a twist, and then pinch and pull at the hair. And then just repeat the same steps on the last section. Okay, now you've finished doing that, grab the left and right section and bring them straight up, holding them by their clear elastic bands. Take that bottom section and push that clear elastic band up to meet the band on the ponytail, and then bring those other 2 sections down. So basically all the clear elastic bands will be touching that ponytail band in the middle. Now securing it, we're going to just stretch over another clear elastic band to hold all those ends together. Now we're just going to secure the bun to the head, just with a few bobby pins. And then pinch and pull at various sections of that bun to make it as messy as you like. If you've got any tail ends left over that you don't want poking out, just wrap them round a bobby pin and then push them up and underneath that bun. And here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.